Okay, babe. Know that this is maybe a lot to ask, but you're really good at this, so I believe in you. You can do it. It's kind of intricate, but again, I believe in you. You can do it, and I just want to explain it a little bit. So, I'll get some errors out of here. So I'll make this into a document that you can print. As you know, the moon is the shape of the moon when they got married. There's the 6 stars. There's 7 points to each star, which has a lot of symbolism. 7 is supposed to be a number with a lot of magic. So I think they'll probably like that. And these letters were hard to get to a point where you could, cut them out, especially with these 3 dots above all of them. So what I did was I created little beams that you can put on there, and I figure what you can do is what I think you should do. I think that on each of these, what you need to do is put glue on them. So put glue there, and there, and there, on the back side that's not going to be facing out. And then lay it down, and then gently just cut like that once it's already on the paper. And just cut out these little alignment beams that I've designed into it. And it should just be left with the 3 dots on top. The same goes for all these lines. Just get the letters, get glue on the letters, and over here, I guess that's not going to work for my explanation, but then once it's laid down, just catch those little bits with your razor and take out this whole section. And you'll want to do that on a lot of these little sections. So you'll want to take out this one, this one, and this one, this one, this one, this one. You're gonna have to slow the video down and rewatch it probably, unless you just get it. But when it comes to here, my advice would be to this is where you're probably just gonna have to wing it a little bit. Like, if I were you, I would suggest cutting out this section first, or that section separate from this section, and then use these markers to line up the sections, but you'll also have the beams. I'll put some more in right now for you. But you can just leave those in there in order to have alignment. That's the whole point of these little beams, is to be able to align everything. It just lets you use them to line things up. And once you got everything glued down, just lightly apply the pressure of your razor and cut them away. You're going to want to keep them really thin, but they're designed to be okay to be thin. They're just kind of like ropes that keep tension. There's 3 points on each, or at least 3 points on each important point. Wherever it's white should go away. Wherever it's gray should stay. I just want to point out that right here you can see the star goes into the letter. Let's make sure you catch that. And then just remember when you're doing the moon to, get these little spots and get these letters over here. Anyways, let me know if you have any questions. You can also refer to this if you want to see what the letters are supposed to look like. And you can see that there's these crazy little spots on them. You don't need to incorporate those. You can just treat it like, just kind of smooth it out. See how I'm doing that? Anyways, good luck with that. And love you, and I hope it turns out well.